Hey, I got it. Look, it was right.
Bill! Wow. Nice one. Wow.
We just found your camera. But I think that's become mine, right?
What you lack in ear sight, you make up in eyesight.
Well, this is the first ride of the year in this mountain area. I was expecting a nice warm spring ride, but snowing. And get round our usual loop. Not sure whether it's going to be possible. In spots, there's well over a foot of snow. Recently I've been riding with the Prolock 360. New system from the same company that makes the tubeless system. I'll show a photo of it here. I'm going to be making some videos. I'll make one soon of fitting a new tyre. The installation, you have to drill your rim. And you need to do it reasonably accurately, but it wasn't too bad. And the good thing is that the tyre fitting is even easier than tubeless. I really like the system. Some people I've seen online are concerned about drilling so many holes in your rim. Well, you've already got holes in your rim. Do those holes around them, do they ever crack? Not in my experience.